The 2025 Honda CR-V stands out as one of the most refined and practical compact SUVs in the market today. As soon as you look at it, the exterior gives a bold and modern impression. The front grille has been redesigned with a more aggressive stance, giving it a confident presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, adding to its sophisticated appeal, while the sculpted lines along the side panels add a dynamic touch. The rear has been slightly updated with sharper taillights and a subtle spoiler, contributing to both style and aerodynamics. Overall, the 2025 CR-V blends elegance with sportiness, making it a head-turner in urban settings as well as on highways. Stepping inside the 2025 CR-V, the cabin is where Honda's design and engineering truly shine. The interior is incredibly spacious for a compact SUV, offering ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Soft-touch materials cover the dashboard and doors, giving a premium feel. The seats are well cushioned, and the higher trims offer leather upholstery and power-adjustable settings. The digital instrument cluster has been updated for clearer visuals, and the central touchscreen now comes standard with a 9-inch display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Honda has also included multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a high-quality audio system to enhance the driving experience. The panoramic sunroof in upper trims allows more light to flood the cabin, creating an airy and pleasant atmosphere. Storage is another strong point, with plenty of compartments in a large cargo area, especially when the rear seats are folded down. When it comes to performance, the 2025 CR-V continues to offer a balance between efficiency and power. The standard engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 that delivers around 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a continuously variable transmission that ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. For those seeking more performance and better mileage, the hybrid variant is a great option, offering a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with 2 electric motors. This setup delivers a combined output of approximately 204 horsepower and offers improved fuel economy, especially for city driving. The all-wheel drive system has been enhanced for better grip and handling in different weather conditions. Ride quality remains smooth even on bumpy roads, thanks to the well-tuned suspension. Steering is light yet responsive, making the CR-V easy to maneuver in tight city spaces while still feeling stable on open roads. In terms of safety, Honda continues to prioritize driver assistance features in the CR-V. The Honda Sensing Suite comes standard across all trims, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features not only provide peace of mind but also contribute to a safer driving experience overall. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda CR-V starts at around $30,000 for the base model. As you move up the trim levels, the price increases based on added features and capabilities. The XL and Sport Touring hybrid trims, which offer more luxury and advanced technology, can go up to about $40,000. While it's not the cheapest SUV in its class, the CR-V justifies its price with quality, practicality, and performance. In summary, the 2025 Honda CR-V remains a top contender in the compact SUV segment. Its stylish design, refined interior, solid performance options, and advanced safety features make it an excellent choice for families, commuters, and anyone looking for a reliable and enjoyable driving experience.